A soft reboot restarts the Tesla operating system without affecting your car's core data. It's your go-to solution for a frozen touchscreen, app crashes, or minor software hiccups. Think of it as a quick refresh for your Model X's brain. This non-invasive method preserves all your settings and is the first thing Tesla recommends for most issues. It clears temporary memory caches without touching the core firmware, taking just 30 to 60 seconds to complete. To perform a soft reboot on your Tesla Model X, first ensure the vehicle is in park mode for safety. Next, press and hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. The touchscreen will then go black and restart automatically. Alternatively, tap the Tesla T icon on the touchscreen and hold the power button until reset options appear. Then choose to restart the system. A full power cycle, also known as a hard reset, completely cuts power to all of the Model X's systems. This simulates a complete shutdown by draining the auxiliary battery and all electrical components. Use this method only for persistent issues that a soft reboot cannot resolve. Common examples include battery management system errors that affect range readings or other deep hardware-software integration problems. This involves disconnecting the 12-volt battery for several minutes to fully drain the system. However, this is a more aggressive approach and should not be used routinely to avoid potential risks. Before attempting a full power cycle, be warned this is not without risk. Park your vehicle and ensure all doors are closed. Then, hold the brake pedal down while shifting to park, if applicable, to initiate a full shutdown. For a complete hard reset, you might need to disconnect the 12-volt battery under the hood for 10 to 15 minutes. Warning: disconnecting the 12-volt battery may void warranties. It is important to consult Tesla Service Center before taking this step to drain capacitors. Reconnect the battery and start the vehicle. This process resets the entire electrical architecture, but can take 5 to 10 minutes and may require recalibration. If a soft reboot doesn't resolve your Tesla Model X issues, the next step is to try a full power cycle. This more thorough reset can address deeper system problems. A full power cycle involves completely shutting down and restarting all vehicle systems, which can help with persistent glitches that a soft reboot couldn't fix. However, if problems continue even after a full power cycle, this often signals an underlying hardware issue that requires professional attention. In such cases, diagnostics are recommended. Always consult Tesla's official resources or a certified technician, as procedures can vary based on your software version. If you still experience issues after following these steps, contact Tesla Service for assistance. They can schedule an appointment and provide expert help. Tesla is evolving reset procedures through automated systems in software updates. Over-the-air updates now include diagnostic tools that identify and resolve issues before they become problems, significantly reducing the need for manual interventions. Recent software versions introduced voice command resets, allowing drivers to simply say, "Hey Tesla, restart system," to perform a soft reboot through the onboard assistant. This makes troubleshooting more convenient and accessible while driving. Tesla vehicles now feature predictive maintenance powered by AI, which analyzes sensor data and driving patterns to flag potential issues early. This proactive approach prevents many problems that would otherwise require resets, improving overall vehicle reliability. Looking ahead, Tesla aims for self-healing firmware in future models, where the vehicle autonomously detects and fixes issues without any driver intervention. This represents the ultimate evolution of reset procedures, making manual resets obsolete. Expert advice emphasizes that soft reboots are the safest and most effective solution for troubleshooting the majority of Tesla Model X issues. According to Tesla engineers and automotive experts, soft reboots handle 80 to 90% of all reported issues without risking damage to the vehicle's systems. Full power cycles should only be performed under professional guidance, as they carry risks of electrical damage to the vehicle's complex systems. Safety is paramount. Always ensure the vehicle is completely parked and stationary before attempting any reset procedure. If you find yourself needing frequent hard resets, This could be a sign of underlying hardware problems that require professional attention. Schedule a diagnostic check with Tesla Service if problems persist, as shown in the vehicle's diagnostic screen. For any persistent issues beyond basic troubleshooting, always consult Tesla Service or a certified technician to ensure proper diagnosis and repair.